There's nothing more summer to me than fresh corn on the grill.
Yeah.
David Zilber is very unique. He is coming at food in such a mad scientist way with such a curious soul.
One little fun cheat to make the best, most delicious corn imaginable is smoked olive oil. It's very simple. We're just going to glug, glug, glug this out.
Okay.
And then we're going to smoke it.
This is great. I've never done this.
So we have our smoking gun.
So what is this you're putting in here?
These are applewood chips. Kind of a really nice round flavor. Just twist the knob until you hear the fan go. Perfect. And just hold it there,
I can smell something.
and you can cut it. That's just
Okay.
turn the fan off. Oh.
And then the fire alarm goes off and
smoke
party's over. Okay,
And
you're
we're just
staying
gonna give
there.
it a swish like every so often to get the smoke mixed into the oil.
Okay, and that's it. That's
And
another
that's it.
scientific experiment.
We smoked the oil and then slathered it all over the corn, and it added another taste to it. It's not just corn on the cob, you know? It's like he really knows how to pump up the flavors.
Smoking the fat that you're going to use to cook with. That's a great hack to make vegetables sing, make them more complex and more delicious.
Corn, anybody? I'm just passing down. Corn?
Oh my gosh.
This is
Thank you.
incredible. It's super smoky.
It's so sweet and salty.
High five.
Doing good. I think everybody's happy.
reviews.
This is beautiful.